Good morning, day 14. A little overcast today. Just waiting for that sun to pop up. I can have breakfast. I wonder how the folks coming over the Catalinas are doing. A lot of snow up there. My favorite time of day, first sun, first breakfast. While I'm on the subject of breakfast, if you're following this channel and looking for information, I said a couple days ago when I was up in the wilderness of rocks just before Summerhaven that I wanted to kind of position myself the night before so I could get in and have a nice hot breakfast in the morning. Well, that didn't happen. Too much ice and snow. But also there's no breakfast in Summerhaven. The first place I stopped was the cookie shack or cookie cabin, whatever it's called. They have coffee, they have cookies, they have pizza. But she said she was really the first eatery that opens in Summerhaven every day, and she doesn't open till 11, so there's no breakfast to be had in Summerhaven. So I don't know what to expect today. Sun came up, blue sky, except to the northwest. Got a lot of clouds over there, but they're not real dark. But I just checked the weather and they're calling for winter storm warning. Up to 4 inches of snow and 65-mile-an-hour wind. So I may be hunkering down early today. I don't know. It's starting out a beautiful day. I mean, it's cool, but nice hiking weather. In a normal year, people coming through here in 2 weeks are going to be wishing they had an umbrella. And it's going to be hot most years. Anyway, we'll see what happens. That's Mountain View Tank down there. That's your first water after the trailhead past 77. It's about a quarter mile. The trail's gonna go off to the west, and so you have to walk about a quarter mile up a road to get to it. But there's a ladder you climb. You can dip into it right from the top usually, but if you've got a bear hanging rope or a clothesline, you might need it to drop your bottle down in to get some. But I'm good today. I'm going up to Beehive well, but it is another reason to carry some clothesline, bear hanging rope. I carry 50 feet of nylon. Hardly ever use it for hanging food. If somebody wants my food other than grizzly country, we're gonna have to negotiate. But you know, if you followed my channel while I did the North Country Trail along Lake Superior last summer, you saw me using it to cast my bottle out into Lake Superior without the waves knocking me over, getting me wet to retrieve water. But right ahead here is quite a bit of water. Beehive Tank is not too far ahead. That's probably where I'll water up today instead of going a half mile out of my way to get into that tank. So this Montbell Sun Hoodie is about all I wear most of the time when it's, you know, good weather. So it keeps the sun off you. It's not hot. You know, it looks hot. People see me on the trail with a hoodie and they think, you know, that guy's a nutcase, but it's really cool to hike in. But on a breezy day like today, the hood always blows off because there's no ties on this thing. So I use my buff right here and it holds it in place in a breeze, any kind of a wind. And then you know, if it's really hot, I have no headwear at all on. I just strap my umbrella on, and then that's really cool because as you're walking, you get a breeze underneath that umbrella, and you don't have any hat on, so your head really stays nice and cool. Ow! They heard me coming. I hope they didn't drink all my water. You can buy all that glacier water you want, but this water has protein in it. So I'm at the Freeman Road Bear Box. We're gonna button up day 14 right here. It's been threatening to rain all day and it just started raining, so this is probably a good place to pull the pin. I don't know what tonight has in store. I thought I'd get water here. There is a box with a lot of water in it, but it's all private water. And as tempted as you might be to take some of that, don't. You know, somebody went to a lot of trouble to put it in there. They've got it marked for them. My next water is about 6 miles, but I've got about a half a liter, so I'll be fine.